Hi all together and welcome to my next unpack video. This package has arrived today and as you can see, Skywatcher, I would say, let's have a look. EQ6 mount, so EQ6-R mount. Instruction manual. I was thinking that this is heavy, but this is really heavy. This is the Skywatcher EQ6-R Pro mount. As you can see, so I hope you can see it. It has several ports. This is the USB port, and this is what I was hoping that it's on the mount, so I can use USB cable and I do not have to use some adapters or some stuff directly to my laptop. Also the level bubble looks like it would work. Some screws here. This is a handset. This is the cable for the Canon EOS. Looks a little bit strange, but okay. If it works, it's okay. This is really an interesting energy supply cable. Now I have two things. My telescope, which arrived some weeks ago at the head of my mount, but I'm still waiting for the tripod. I think it may arrive tomorrow, so I will have another video tomorrow. Hi all together. So next day, next unpacking. This package arrived today. Let us have a look. First of all, I show you my power supply. I ordered from Amazon, Royal Power, 180 watts, and yeah, I hope this is sufficient. Be amazed, yeah, hopefully. I think these are the counterweights. Counterweight number 2. This looks like a tripod. have everything in place and I could build it up. And so keep the fingers crossed to get first light. I really hope for clear sky. The same I wish to you. Clear sky. Bye.